Very good. Now he's going to tell us some important points on our independence. Okay?
Good morning everyone. My name is Aryan and I study in class 2. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 79 Independence Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this day 1947, India got freedom from British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak sacrificed their whole life for it. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Then we will Jai Bharat. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you everyone.